which means even in this small loop, you still get that functionality. So we'll go back and assume that I resample. It tells me to resample my hardness. I can save. And this, of course, is what we're looking for. How do I see something out of condition and return it to condition? And this may be multifaceted. This may be a cascading error that I have multiple procedures that I need to dynamically go through. Awesome. This tool is built to go through that quickly. So I go back to my main screen and I'm back in spec. I'm back with the line is no longer red. I don't have my button here anymore. So even if I wanted to, I couldn't go take extra actions, which I'm finding out in operations is almost as bad as doing nothing, is doing the wrong thing, not knowing why, and then trying to explain it later, right? And I have, this will pop up in a second as the calculation completes for this. So that's the front end of what we're working on here. But I want to show you the really cool power